Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kids Fun Magic World. Friends, today our topic is Essay on Earth Hour 2026. Give an hour for Earth. Introduction. Earth Hour is a global environmental movement that inspires people to take action for the protection of our planet. Organized by the World Wide Fund for Nature, this event encourages individuals, communities, and organizations to switch off non essential light for 1 hour. It symbolizes a collective effort to fight climate change and promote sustainability. Over the years, Earth Hour has grown into one of the largest grassroots movements in the world, uniting millions of people with a shared purpose. When is Earth Hour 2026? In 2026, Earth Hour will be observed on Saturday, March 28 from 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. This means people across different countries will participate at the same local time, creating a wave of action that travels around the globe. From home to iconic landmarks, lights will be switched off as a sign of commitment to protecting the earth. Theme. Give an hour for Earth. The theme for Earth Hour 2026 is Give an hour for Earth. This message goes beyond simply turning off lights. It encourages people to spend 1 hour doing something positive for the environment, whether it is learning about climate change, reducing energy consumption, or making eco friendly choices. Every small step contributes to a larger impact. This idea is to inspire long term habits that help protect natural resources and reduce environmental harm. Importance of Earth hours play a significant role in raising awareness about pressing environmental issues such as global warming, deforestation, and pollution. It reminds people that their daily actions can have a lasting impact on the planet. By participating, individuals demonstrate their commitment to conserving energy and living sustainably. Moreover, the event encourages governments and organizations to adopt policies and practices that support environmental protection. Activities you can do during Earth Hour. There are many meaningful activities you can take part in. Turning off lights and unplugging electronic devices in the first step. You can also spend quality time with family, share stories, or enjoy a candlelight evening. Some people choose to plant trees, clean their surroundings, or plan ways to reduce waste. Others may use the time to educate themselves about environmental challenges and solutions. These activities not only reduce energy use but also strengthen awareness and responsibility toward nature. Global participation. Earth Hour is celebrated in over 190 countries, making it a truly global movement. Famous landmarks such as the Eiffel Tower, Sydney Opera House, and India Gate participate by turning off their lights. This powerful visual message shows unity and highlights the importance of taking action for the environment. Conclusion. Earth Hour is more than just an event. It is a reminder that everyone has a role to play in protecting our planet. By giving 1 hour, we take a step towards building a sustainable future. Small actions, when combined, can create a big difference. Let Earth Hour 2026 inspire you to adopt eco friendly habits and continue caring for the earth every day. Thank you. Please subscribe, share, and comments. Bye, friends.